Okay, so we're going to talk about areas of triangles. And obviously, you should all remember from geometry that the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. But sometimes you don't have the height. Okay, so like this situation here, we've got the base. We know this side, but that's not the height. We know this angle. And so there is a formula that will allow us to do that. And it's these formulas right here. They're all, again, these are all three the same formula. Just depends on, which sides you know. You can use whichever one whenever you want. But the area is equal to half of a times b times the sine of gamma, or it's half b times c times the sine of alpha, or it's half of a times c times the sine of beta. Now, this formula is actually exactly the same thing as this, because if you look at this situation, a is the base, so you've got half the base, and it just so happens that c times the sine of beta actually will give you the height of this triangle right there. Okay, so it's really the same formula as this. All right, so let's find the area of this thing right here. So we know, it's probably best to label the sides. We can call this A, we can call this B, and that would make this gamma because this would have to be C over here. So we're going to use the top formula here. The area is 1/2 of 20 times 35 times the sine of 35 degrees. And that's simply just get out your calculator at this point and plug that in. And this comes out to be approximately 200.75. The units are centimeters in this case. So this would be centimeters squared. Remember, it's always square units when you're finding area. And you're done. It's that easy.